Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today, we are going to continue our chapter number 3, Introduction to Access.
Hello students, today we are going to learn creating a table in data sheet view. By default, table is created in data sheet view. When you create a database, the workspace of the database interface window shows a table with the default name table 1 in the data sheet view. It means when you create a table, the default name, when you create a database, the default name of table is table 1. The data can be entered in the row and the column of table without entering headings. Follow these steps to create a table. Step number 1, enter the data as shown. To enter the next set of data, press Tab key. In a data sheet, the field names are by default seen as ID, field 1, field 2 and field 3 and etc. Where ID is used to identification of number generated, it is generated automatically, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Step number 2, after entering the data, you should save the table entry by pressing the Ctrl+S key or selecting the save option from the file menu. As we are saving normally, then type the name of the table in a save table, save as dialog box and click on OK button. To change the name of field, place the cursor anywhere on the column, here you can see, and click on the name and caption button in the property group of fields tab. So we have to go to the field tab and we have to click on the name and caption. Here we can type the name, new name or field that you want to give and click on the OK button. You can fill the name, whatever the name you want to give. Now creating a table in design view. Design view allows you to enter the name of the field in the table and specify their data types. All data types specify the kind of data like number, currency, text, whatever you want to enter. Only that kind of data you can enter in that particular field. So follow this step to create a table using data sheet view. Step number 1, select the table design option from the table group on the create tab. So go to the create tab, click on the table design option. You will see table design screen showing. Here you can field name and here we having data types and here we having description. So in field name you can write the name and then click on the save button. So again save as dialog box will appear and you can give the name of the table. Here you can field name, you can give the name of the field. Data type means you can define the types of data. As soon as you click on the save button, this save as dialog box will appear. Here you can give the name of your table. Now as soon as you click on the save button, a message will appear on the screen giving a warning message. Key is not defined, so click on no option. Now press on Ctrl+W key together to close the table window. So here you can see, here we having two tabs, tab 1 and tab 2. Now rules for naming a field. There are some basic rules that we have to follow when we are naming a field. Means field का जब हम नाम रखते हैं, that time we have to follow some rule. A field name can range from 1 to 64 character. Means field का नाम 64 characters से long. It should not be longer than 64 character. A field name include letters, numbers and special characters only. Field name cannot be begun with blank space. You should not need to give any blank space in the starting. Now let's learn about the data types. Data types declare the types of data a particular field can be used for. Once the data type for the field specify, another type of data cannot be entered in particular field. For example, अगर आपने नंबर डाला है, so there you cannot add any alphabet. That is data type. Auto number. The auto number data type will create the sequential number or creation of new record. It is mainly used as a primary key. The value of auto number field cannot be changed. It means it is create the number automatically, and the value we cannot change the value. Short text data types contain the value that are in the form of text or a combination of text and number that does not require the calculation. The maximum length is 255 character. This field store the value like address and phone number. In address and phone number we use both letters and numbers. So the maximum length is 255 characters. That is short text. Long text. The long text data type contains value that are in the form of text and number with the maximum length of 65,536 character. This data type is used to descriptive fields where we have more description to need to write. There we can select the text data type. Number data type. The number data type can be used store number numeric value up to 16 bytes of data. The numeric value are used for calculation. Date and time. This data type is used to store the date and time up to 8 bytes. Information like date of birth, date of joining, date of leaving can be added in this data type. Calculation with respect of date and time can also be performed here. So that is date and time data types. Here we can, in this field, user only can enter the date and time, nothing else. Currency. The currency data type store the value monetary format which can be used for financial data. This field can have values up to 8 bytes. In this data columns you can only add the currency. Yes and no. The logical data type is used only one of the two given values valid, either yes, no, true or false, or male or female. Means when you are getting admission in school, that time you having two option, male or female, that time of option you can give. OLE object. The OLE object data type is used to enter spreadsheet, documents, presentations, etc. created in other Windows based programs. Hyperlinks. The hyperlink data type is used to store web address. Attachments. The attachment data type is used to attach images, spreadsheets, documents, charts, and other types of supported fields to the recorded as an attachment in the data type. It means you can add the attachment also. Calculated. The calculated data type is used to create a field which calculate the data types. Lookup wizard. Lookup wizard create a field whose value are chosen from the values in another table, queries or list of values. It displays the list of value you can choose from. Setting a data type for a field. Now let's learn how to set a data type when you create a table. Data type for the field can be set either in a design view or in a data sheet view. Setting a data type in data sheet view. So let's learn how to set a data type in data sheet view. Step number 1, open a table in data sheet view. Step number 2, click add header and select the desired data type from the drag drop menu. Enter the field name for the particular data type. Field properties. Field properties is applied to a particular field in a table, and it is defined the characteristic of that field. A property of field can be set in the design view as well as in the data sheet view. Let's have a look at a few field properties. Field properties. Field size. Field size property defines the maximum size for the data stored. It is of short text, number, and auto number data types. Format. Format property defines the display layout of the field. You can either select from a predefined format or enter a cursor format. Input mask. Input mask property mentions the pattern for the data. For example, to display password, you can use input mask as a star. Default value. The default value property defines the default value that is entered into the field when new record is added. A user can either go with a default value or enter a new value. Validation value. Validation rule property is used to add validation to the field. For example, if a rule set as a less than 0, it means positive value can be into a field. So here we are stopping our video. We'll learn.